Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is another entry, and this is all the way from Canada from Kim Balan. And let me see if Kim has a handle. So Kim on IG is Scrapbookcom, and on YouTube she's Kim's Crafty Creations. She hasn't posted a video, but I appreciate you watching me. Thank you so much. And I'm glad that you feel like I am your inspiration. You guys inspire me too. You guys are so awesome. And can we just look at this box, you guys? Can we? This is beautiful. Look at this. So of course I'm going to take everything out of the box. Look at these little ice cream cones that she made me. They are so cute. Look at these, you guys. So I'm going to, she put tons of little beads and those little beads that they used on the other, I think one of my other packages. I'm just gonna put them over here because I don't want them to fly everywhere. Okay. I think this is her tag flip. And then there's some more stuff here. I did not open this. You guys, we are seeing this together. I'm finally down to the last few boxes. So I know you guys who have sent out your packages and are like, where is my box? It's here, you guys. It's here. I have it and I am showing them. Look at all these cute little bags. How cute is this? I love this. Look at the crinkle paper. I'm totally reusing this. I have like a few birthday packages going out, so I'm going to be reusing these boxes and kind of like decorating them up because they are perfect sizes. So let me move this box. Put that right there. Separate everything. I love these, Kim. These are so cute. I will be displaying them. They are adorable. I love them. And these are her embellishments. She did the starburst. Look how cute the layers. The little air balloon. Look at her little bag topper with the little pom-pom trim. So cute. She has some more embellishments here. Little chunky rosettes with these little love letter dies. A little cupcake. So cute. I love that paper in the background. These colors, oh my gosh, they make my heart smile. And then we have this little bag here and it says add a little confetti to each day. So maybe I should open it from here. What do we have here? Oh, is this like different trim? Ooh, she sent me trim, you guys. You guys know I love me some trim. So she sent me this super pretty, look at this lace in white. Ooh, I like that. Oh, look at these, you guys, in pink and in gray. This is perfect for now for like Christmas projects. I love this. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this one. I think it has like a wire so you could kind of like bend it. Yep. Oh, that's pretty. And it's so soft. She sent me some of that leaf trim. I don't have it in silver. I do have a gold, but I don't have silver. Thank you so much for that. And look at these, you guys. There's yellow, green, purple, white, and like this like baby yellow with like white in the center. Oh, thank you so much, Kim, for sending me all these beautiful trims. I love them. She also sent me a bunch of little gemmies. Look how cute she packaged it up. Like a little chip bag. Super adorable. And then she made another one of those little chip bags. And I think I'm going to have to cut it open to see what's inside. You guys, usually I take tons of pictures of all my packages. But this time around, it's just been so crazy and hectic that I'm just going to post the tag flips. And ooh, this is cute. She sent me a bunch of little knickknacks. Look at this. Buttons, look at the unicorn, little jemmies, the bows, the little candies, flowers. This is fun. A little felt charm. Ooh, I love these. Thank you so much for those, Kim. But yeah, you guys, I will be posting your tag flips. I just have to wait until I have everything all said and done, and then I'm going to post them. So if you guys want to see the packages in detail, at least you guys can come and see it on my channel and know that I gave you guys the proper display of your beautiful work, which I think is way better than a picture, right? I think that's way better than just have posted it on a picture and not actually shown the detail that you guys put into your work. What is this? Oh, I think this is her handmade card. Look at this, you guys. Definitely saving this. Look at her card, you guys. It's so beautiful. I know exactly what paper she used. This is that paper pad from, is it from Michael's? No, I don't know what paper pad that is. I don't think it's from Michael's. Oh, look how cute. She left it blank in the inside. So if I wanted to reuse it. And it's a shaker. This is beautiful. I love your card. So many goodies already, and we haven't even gone into her tag flip. Can you guys believe that? I'm gonna put that stuff right here, and we're gonna move on to her tag flip, which looks super chunky. Okay, just don't want to get all these little. Okay, let me just move this. Whoop, I don't want it to fly everywhere. The little foamies. All right, make sure that they all came out. Wow, that's super chunky, Kim. Okay, move that over here. And let's take a look at this baby. So you guys already know. Look at her tassel. Super chunkified. Look at all these pretty colors. And then it says, happy birthday, crafting with Liller. That is so cute. I might have to put this on my keys. I love that. That is so cute. And then we have this starting off piece here, which is kind of like a banner. And look at all the layers, you guys. There's the starburst, the cake. It says celebrate. There's pom-pom, sequins, gold. So fun. I love that. I've never done a like banner style on a tag flip. That's very different and unique. Look at this one. It's a little cupcake and it has like little shaker bits. And it says celebrate. And she's got like a cute little page flag. I love doing like that, putting little things like just in between the tags. Just gives it a little bit more character. There's another one right here. And it's like all like stitching. Look at this one with a purple heart. Nice size tag. And look, you guys, she made these super cute embellishments. Look at this little tassel here. They're like little gift bags and it has like little tissue paper sticking out of them. These are so cute. You guys have like the best ideas. And then look at this one, you guys. It's a star and it's super thicked up. Like super thicked up. And she made like a rosette. Very dimensional. Popped up on foam dots. And then there's this one with a little pocket. It says confetti. And then in here, she gifted me some little birthday stickers. These are so cute. I love these. Love the little pockets. Let me put it back in here. I don't want to lose anything. And then we have this one. Look at this one, you guys. Look at the little girl. How cute is she? It says happy birthday. She is adorable. I love it, so cute. And then here she die cut some little birthday cakes for me. Some little coffee cups. Thank you. Oh, and some little ice cream cones. Thank you so much for those, Kim. Then there's this tag with the polka dot paper that I said I liked before. Cute little butterfly. Oh, and then she die cut some happy birthday for me. In different colors, 3 different colors. This is perfect because I can use those for some birthday mail that I'm working on. And then look at that. That is so pretty. Look at all those layers. So fun. Tons of balloons. I love it. Ooh, we have another shaker. Look at this. There's a cute little unicorn. And it's another like page flag. She got the little flowers. Super thicked up. I love this one. It's so pretty. Oh, I didn't see this. Look, you guys. Look at all these little tassels and charms that she gifted me. And this little sequins bottle. Look at little charms. A little bell. This is so cute. And then there's this one. It says, toss the confetti and shout hooray. And oh, look. She gifted me a little notepad that has the ice cream cone and 2 little cherries. That is so cute. I've never seen that. I love it. Kim, you did such a good job. This is amazing. I love it. So cute. So chunky. So yeah, you guys, that is Kim's entry. I'm going to have her information linked down below. Definitely go check her out, even though she doesn't really do videos, but you can still go check her out. Maybe she has an Instagram. Thank you, Kim, for answering the challenge. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.